Hi, my name is David Subcheck. I'm the new service manager here at Ed Napleton Honda on 95th Street in Oak Lawn. As a new service manager, I would like to welcome all of our customers and even our old customers back. We have changed a lot of things in our service department. We have a no appointment policy. You may come in anytime you'd like to have your vehicle serviced. We're open Monday through Friday from 7:30 in the morning until 7 in the evening, and we're open Saturdays from 8 to 4. We have 18 technicians to take care of all your service needs. We have a full express lane where oil changes are done in 45 minutes or less, complete vehicle inspection, and free car washes on all cars that come in for service. Come in and see us. We'd love for you to be part of our Napleton family, where our customers are always number one.